Alright. So please, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is High Chief Udoye.
Okay. Yes. Why are you here today?
We are here for the opening ceremony of the new Ezudo in class. The new month of Ezudo in class. So, the first meeting of the year. So we are celebrating the first meeting of the year. That's why we're here. And also the celebrate the area commander, name of Oputobia. So he was honored some days ago. So today is like more or less the Thanksgiving event of his coronation of Oputobia of Amuwo Odofin.
Are you part of this council?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What message do you have for the Igbos in Lagos? And what do you say about the bestowing of honor to the area commander, who is an Igbo man?
Okay. What I have to say to Igbos in Lagos is that we need to know our roots. You need to know where you're coming from, wherever you are. And that's part of what I do in this Ezudo Palace, knowing your roots. So it's good that we came with our wives, and some even came with their children. So that's the essence of knowing our roots, where we're coming from. Then to the coronation of area commander, he's my very good friend, and I'm very happy he was promoted Oputobia of Amuwo Odofin. So I'm very happy for him. Just as what happened there, that I supported him and give him the support of service.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.